Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and in this video I'd like to introduce you to a new integration we've got between QuoteWerks Web and Avalara Avatax. The ConnectIt-Avalara product's been out for some time. Desktop users have been using it for quite some years now, but we now have it available for QuoteWerks Web. So let's dive into QuoteWerks Web, and the keen-eyed among you will notice we've got some custom buttons up here. These are the make up the Avalara integration. Those are set up in the setup area. If we look at Scripting Manager, relatively new addition as of July 2026, to be able to add custom buttons. So we've got this resolve address, get tax rate, and calculate tax. As you saw, we've got them on the document header bar across here. We also have them on the tools menu as well. So just briefly take you through the document. It's standard QuoteWerks product entertainment system example. We've got a little bundle here and then some other additional items along the bottom. As for our sold to, ship to, got our favourite supplier, Aspire Technologies, Orlando, Florida. Just to point out the sale info tab, we've currently got a tax rate of 0. Okay, so first step that we usually take is to resolve the address. We want to make sure that we've got the full address details, and in particular we want that 9-digit zip code. So we're just going to hit this retrieve the validated address for the chosen address in Avalara button. That's going to ask me whether I want to validate the address for sold to, ship to, or bill to. Typically it's going to be ship to that you're going to select. So we just hit OK to that. That goes away and talks to the ConnectIt Software web services and brings back that full address details, like I said, including that 9-digit code. It's also made a slight adjustment to line 1 there as well. Do I want to update the address on the document? Yes, I do. And you'll see that details change. Next step we would usually take is to get the kind of generic tax rate for this particular zip code, and we're going to hit this retrieve the tax rate for the chosen address in Avalara again. Again, it's going to default to ship to. Just hit OK. It's going to confirm that the rate for that address is 6.5, and that's made up of the state tax at 6% and the county tax at 0.5%. Do I want to update on the document? Yes, I do. Now this final step is going to calculate the full tax amount according to your particular Avalara Avatax setup. To capture those details, we've customized a couple of fields on the custom tab. We've got the Avatax customer code. If you know it, great. If you don't, then the integration will take it off of the company address, the company name, the transaction ID, and the total tax. We've also got over here the Avalara summary and any Avalara messages. You'll see those populated in a moment. On the document items tab, again, we've got a couple of customized columns. We're using custom number 4 to get the tax amount that Avalara calculates, and the comments, which we'll see populated in a moment. So just hitting the calculate tax and line item tax in Avalara button. That's going to pop up a spinner just so that we know that something's going on. You can also see at the bottom, or you could, there was a notification that a script's being run, and that toast message at the bottom to say everything's completed. You'll also see this all populating in the background, confirming the tax code that's being used, the taxable amount, and the tax calculated based on that. If we look on the custom tab, you'll see that we've got that summary from Avalara of the tax amounts used and the tax amounts calculated, and here we have that tax customer code, which will may be useful to you, and also the total tax. So that's as far as we've got with this beta version. Like I said, very excited to be able to showcase this to you today. If you're interested, hit our website. It's www.connectit-software.co.uk. If you go to the Contact Us page, there's a telephone number, email address. We look forward to hearing from you.